Okay, next I'll show you how to match with a friend, which is required. You are required to match with a friend, your opponent. Okay, so if you are the player A, then you will need to click on match a friend here, then key in the ID of your opponent, player B. For example, I will need to key in here. Okay, then here, this is it. Okay, then CSW19. Okay, challenge rules void. Okay, initial minutes set to 15 minutes. Okay, and time setting use max overtime 1 minute, and rated or not, it depends on you. Okay, then you click on create game. Okay, so on the other side, okay, a match request will be generated, okay, from you. Okay, so whenever you click or your opponent click on the game, then the game will start. Then I'll resign. Okay, I'll show you how to play in another game with my student. Okay. And I'll start, okay, the game with this person. Okay, so this is your deck. Okay, I have double E, G, K, double T, and U here. And if I want to swap the tiles, I can click on this. Okay, so I can shuffle. Okay, I can shuffle the tiles in different order. Right? Or if you want to shuffle it manually, for example, I want to put the word get, then I can put it like this. Of course, I can click reset rack to this original place. Then I can click pass. This is a button for pass. Okay, and okay, this is how I play. Okay, the first word when, then I will start using my word. For example, I want to use, okay, then for example, okay, then I click on the button play to play the word. Okay, now I will get my new tiles automatically, and all the move will be recorded here in this bracket. Okay, and this is the tiles in back. Okay, the tiles available in back that I know. Okay, and of course here I have different option for resign if I want to forfeit the game, okay, or I want to cancel the game, or I want to nudge my players or my opponent, right? Because maybe he didn't play anything. And you can make use of this notepad for the word, for possible word. For example, I can put THEN. Okay, this is my possible word that I can play. So I can use this THEN, okay, and click okay here, okay, and my tiles will be automatically add into this, right, into the notepad. Okay, so okay, for example, I want to pass, so I click on the button pass. Right, confirmation, are you sure you want to you wish to pass? Yes, then I will pass. See, pass turn, right, from me, so I will add 0 mark, okay, due to I pass my turn. Okay, so next, in the next turn, I will show you how to exchange. Okay, exchange the tiles. I'll exchange all of them because I just want to show you. Okay, so for example, okay, I'll exchange. Now I'll exchange all of them. I'll click on them, and then I will click exchange. Okay, if I want to exchange, then here I'll exchange all, and it will be recorded here. Okay, and this is the mark, okay, and the gap, the spread, right, between me and Hui Han. Okay, so this is our difference, and the time we spend, okay, it is counting down from 15 minutes, and this is the ranking point, okay, ranking point that I accumulate throughout the gameplay, okay, with other players. Okay, if I played a game challenge, okay, and rated, okay, then of course, okay, my game will be rated. right? And this is the rate point that I can get from the other players, okay? And you can view their profile. For example, I click view profile and I can see, okay, the gameplay of my opponent, right? The past of this player, okay? So I'll continue my play now. For example, I'll play, okay, yeah, okay. It will automatically collect all the information over here, okay, and I'll show you how to end the game later. So I can't play anything, so I'll keep on passing. Okay, I'll pass. And after 3 times of passing, okay, now this is the end. Okay, Tan Hui Hang wins 6 consecutive score of 0, and final score will be 295 versus 142. New ratings. Okay, now Tan Hui Hang will get 1,487. Okay, while my point will drop from 1,530 to 1,412. Okay, this is a rematch request. If you want to rematch, then click accept. Okay, you will rematch. You will go into a rematch. Okay, that's it. Okay, this is to record. Okay, to show you if I play a word which is illegal. For example, I put VD. Okay, and I click play. Okay, the play contain illegal word VD. Okay,